What's going on, guys? We're getting some more work done on the Project International here. Fucking wiring for days, I tell you what. But yeah, there's what we cut out so far. We're getting somewhat of the cluster finally organized here. We'll be able to hook all this shit up to the gauges once we get them in, because we got the modern gauges that are going to go into the dash cluster that we made. It'll fit everything, but yep, slowly getting it all tucked in, tucked away, figured out what's what. Crap labeled. There's just a lot here we got to do and try and hide all that right there in that tiny little space right there. Not sure how we're gonna get it in there and make it look good, but we'll do what we can, shorten it up how we can. I really don't want to mess with the spaghettiness more than I have to, but yeah, that's what we had. This is where we're down to, but we're getting it, guys. Kicking ass on this damn international here. Once we get that all figured out, then we can hook the battery into it. And then we got to hook up the fuel lines here because we had to make a mount here, the existing fuel tank. That way the cab or the bed will still work. We got to like, what, 2-3 inches? Yeah, just like 6 inches there. Probably 5-6 inches. We got to do extension on the fuel lines, and then the factory fuel pump and fuel tank and everything will work on the old girl because it's a 2001 or 1999 Chevy 1-ton frame that we swapped the cab over, and then we got the bed that we're going to be putting on it, and we dropped the axles out of the International and put on it. Or these might have been out of a Hummer. I can't remember. These might have even been out of a Hummer. Either way, they're heavy duty. They're not actually International parts. But yeah, so when we did that, we had to fab up a new mount here because it pushed this back just a little bit. The original factory location was right here. As you can see, cab wouldn't allow that. So we repurposed that mount, made a new mount here. We got extended about 5 inches there, boom. And then this will come up and out of the bed right about here or so. Back it off just a little bit. But that's what we got going on there. And then, yep, continue on here. And then we got these gauges over here that will be retrofitting into the dash cluster. Right here will be these guys, little round beads going out of there. Take the film. There we go. So there's your fuel. Then we got temperature, voltage, oil pressure, tach. Oh, they're probably next door. Right here, I think this is the tach. Mine like crap everywhere. Oh no, that's speedometer. So boom, there we go, speedometer. So yeah, get those all retrofitted in there and everything. Keep going at it. Yeah, that's where we're at on the whole International. 72, I think it is. I'm not sure the year. I'm just trying to get it done. After we get all that done, get it running, and that'll be great because then we can drive back and forth, get the bed on it, get it primered. Get the cab pretty much knocked out, and this thing is out of here. So keep following on, guys. There'll be little blips here and there. Yeah, one time I'll probably do a full time lapse video and fun intermittent jazz like that. But right now, that's what it's gonna be. So peace.